Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Blink XT2 is probably one of the most affordable and feature-rich home security camera systems available today, offering a compelling blend of indoor and outdoor monitoring capabilities with impressive battery life and cloud storage options that make it an attractive choice for budget-conscious homeowners looking to enhance their security without breaking the bank. Number 5. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home devices. It's designed for effortless use within the Apple ecosystem, offering a great no-subscription security camera solution. This outdoor camera is built to withstand any weather condition with its IP67 weatherproof rating. You can rely on its year-round performance for your home security. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. This security camera operates without requiring any monthly fees, keeping your expenses low. Benefit from an incredible 180-day battery life on a single charge. This provides extended, maintenance-free security monitoring, perfect for wireless outdoor cameras. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies people using advanced recognition technology. This elevates your security measures for a robust home security system without monthly fees. Capture every detail with stunning 1080p HD resolution. Enjoy clear visuals day or night, ensuring you don't miss a thing. See clearly even in the dark with advanced night vision. Receive motion-only alerts to stay informed about important activity around your home. What we like. If you're invested in the Apple ecosystem and want a security camera that integrates seamlessly, this is a great choice. Its robust weatherproof rating means it can handle any outdoor conditions, and the absence of monthly fees makes it incredibly budget-friendly. You should consider this if you're looking for a reliable, long-term security solution without ongoing costs. What people say. The Blink XT2 is a wireless, outdoor, two-way audio camera with cloud storage. It has a 1080p HD video resolution and a 110-degree field of view. The camera is powered by two AA lithium batteries, which can last up to 2 years. Number 4. Lorex 4K Security Camera System with 8 cameras. Experience unparalleled clarity with our 4K security camera system. It provides ultra-high-definition video quality for crystal-clear recordings, ensuring you never miss a detail. Enhance your security with active deterrence. Each camera is equipped with a motion-activated LED warning light and a siren that can be triggered remotely for an extra layer of protection. Receive only the alerts that matter. Our smart motion detection technology distinguishes between people, vehicles, and irrelevant motion like moving branches or animals. See clearly, day or night. Enjoy full-color video in low-light conditions, or switch to crisp black and white footage in complete darkness with advanced infrared LEDs, offering visibility up to 150 feet. Built to withstand the elements, these cameras are weatherproof. They can endure rain, snow, and wind, functioning reliably in temperatures from -40 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This comprehensive system includes a DVR and 4K cameras, offering a complete security solution for your peace of mind. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like. For those who demand the highest video quality and proactive security, this system is ideal. The 4K resolution ensures you won't miss any detail, while features like active deterrence with LED warning lights and sirens provide an extra layer of security. If you need comprehensive surveillance with advanced features, especially in low-light conditions, this is the system for you. People say. The Blink XT2 is a wireless, outdoor, HD security camera that records video clips and sends motion alerts to your phone or tablet. It has a 2-year battery life and can be used in any weather condition. The camera also features a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to hear and speak to people through the camera. Number 3. Blink Add-on Sync Module 2. Effortlessly manage all your Blink devices directly from the Blink Home Monitor app. This device connects up to 10 of your Blink cameras and doorbells, simplifying your home security setup. Enjoy the convenience of local video storage for up to 10 compatible devices. You can record and save motion clips by simply inserting a USB flash drive. View, share, and download your locally stored motion alerts directly through the Blink app. You can also access footage on your computer by plugging in the USB drive. Benefit from local video storage without any recurring monthly fees. This feature provides a cost-effective solution for keeping your important recordings safe. It's designed to work with a variety of your Blink devices, including indoor, outdoor, video doorbell, and mini cameras. Please note, it's not required for the mini camera itself. While it offers great flexibility, please be aware that local video storage is not compatible with Blink XT2, XT, and first-generation indoor cameras. What we like. If you have multiple Blink devices and want to manage them all from one place with the option for local video storage, this module is essential. It eliminates the need for monthly fees for storing your clips, offering a cost-effective solution. You should choose this if you prioritize easy device management and secure, local storage for your Blink camera footage. What people say. It has a two-way audio feature that allows you to speak and hear from your smartphone. The camera offers cloud storage and local storage options, giving you flexibility in how you save your recordings. It comes with a long-lasting battery that can last up to 2 years on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Number 2. Blink Outdoor Camera Mount 5-Pack with Sync Module Outlet Mount. Introducing our 5-pack Blink Outdoor Camera Mounts, designed to provide robust protection for your Blink Outdoor 4, Outdoor 2K+, and 3rd Gen cameras. Keep your devices safe from any potential damage, in any situation. Achieve complete surveillance with our versatile camera wall mounts. Enjoy a full 360 degrees rotation, ensuring no blind spots and a safer, more controlled home environment. Declutter your space with the included outlet mount for your Blink Sync Module 2, Core, or XR. It keeps the module neatly against the wall, and the customized short USB cord eliminates messy wires. These mounts are built to last, featuring weatherproof housing for durability. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly set up comprehensive security for your home. This comprehensive package includes 5 weatherproof housings, 5 camera mounts, 1 sync module outlet mount, 2 customized short USB cables, and all necessary screw accessories. Please note that cameras and sync modules are not included. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us for prompt assistance. What we like. This accessory is perfect for anyone looking to maximize the coverage and protection of their Blink outdoor cameras. The 360 degrees adjustability ensures no blind spots, and the weatherproof housing keeps your camera safe from the elements. If you want to easily mount your camera and sync module while keeping your space tidy, this is a practical and protective solution. What people say. The Blink XT2 camera system is a great option for home security, offering both indoor and outdoor camera options. The cameras are wireless and battery-powered, making them easy to install and move around as needed. The system includes cloud storage for recorded footage, allowing you to access your videos from anywhere. Number 1. Gohonor Blink Outdoor Camera Mount Bracket, 5-pack. Introducing the Gohonor Mount Bracket, designed for your all-new Blink Outdoor 4th and 3rd Gen cameras. This 5-pack offers full weather protection for both indoor and outdoor installations. Our unique pop-up inner box design allows for quick and easy camera removal to replace batteries. You won't need to readjust the bracket's direction after accessing the camera. Installation is a breeze. Simply fix the base bracket to your wall or ceiling using the included screws for a highly secure fit. Enjoy a 360 degrees adjustable viewing angle with no blind spots, ensuring complete household safety. Made from durable, eco-friendly ABS material, it shields your camera from sun, rain, wind, and dust. This mount is also perfect for your Blink Sync Module Core XR. It comes with a custom short cable, eliminating cord clutter and freeing up space for a neat and comfortable environment. Constructed from fresh ABS material, this bracket is environmentally friendly and built to last. Its full coverage design provides robust protection against various weather conditions and potential attacks. What we like. If you own the Blink Outdoor 4th or 3rd Gen cameras and want superior protection and convenience, this mount is a great option. Its unique design allows for easy battery replacement without removing the camera, and the full weatherproof housing shields it from all environmental factors. Consider this if you're looking for robust protection and a neat installation with excellent wire management. What people say. The Blink XT2 camera has a two-way audio feature that allows you to speak to visitors through the app. The camera records clips up to 60 seconds long, which is great for capturing more detail. The battery life on the Blink XT2 is impressive, lasting for months on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.